Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been quite a while, and I say that every video because I can't commit, and I never oh my god, my voice is like almost lost. It was my birthday weekend this weekend, so we celebrated on Saturday. We had a great time, ate a lot of food. I drank way too much, more than I should. So this is kind of like a reset grocery haul. I'm gonna be doing some meal prep tonight and just like stuff for the week. So I thought I would show you what I got step by step, everything, so that maybe you guys can get some ideas for meals at home too if you're trying to eat on like a budget and like just eat healthy and whatever. Then just keep on watching. All right, so here's a little overview of all of my bags. I also got some bubbly orange water. I'm obsessed with flavored waters, and I'm gonna take everything out and kind of place it nicely because right now it just looks like a jumbled mess. So here's everything that we got at the grocery store. It's lots and lots and lots of food so that we can make lots of meals. We're usually big snackers, so I got a bunch of these crispy minis because they're a little bit better than like regular chips, and they're gluten-free, so that's good, even though like I don't really eat gluten-free, but I should. So I got crunchy dill, ketchup, barbecue, and ranch, so that is good. I guess like when I'm doing this, I'll just put everything over here so that we don't have it in here. I got some organic spring mix. I really like arugula, and this has a bunch of different kinds of lettuce. So there's, sorry, the lighting is kind of crappy. Baby lettuce, all these good things for salads. Jamie loves eating his bagels, so I got him cinnamon raisin bagels. I'm making turkey burgers, so that's why I got the turkey. And you put feta cheese, you cut up feta cheese and put that in there. And what else? You put tomatoes and jalapenos, which I have in the fridge already. So that's gonna be for that. So I got some whole wheat buns. If I want to have one, I will. But I'll mostly like try to have my turkey burgers bunless just to like limit the carbs. And then I got some brown rice as like a good carb, eggs for morning snacks. I'm making a veggie soup, so I got 2 chicken broths, lots of veggies, so I have a whole thing of spinach I'm gonna put in there, some broccoli. This is for chicken curry that I'm making, so I got some chicken breasts over there. I'm gonna use coconut milk and diced tomatoes, and I already have a curry sauce, which is in here. So this one here, the mild curry paste. This is our empty fridge right now. I'm going to restock. And then they only had one kind of kombucha. Hey Boo, you excited about all our groceries?
Oh yeah, it's gonna be very, very good.
They only had this kind, but this is ginger one, so that's okay. And where was I? Mangoes. Jamie loves frozen mangoes, so I got him 2 bags. Some cilantro. We'll make guacamole, and this will be good on the chicken curry. For my vegetable soup, I just got this dry soup mix for extra flavor. I'm making shepherd's pie also. So instead of regular potatoes, I'm gonna use sweet potatoes. And then I got a whole thing of beef over there. We like eating our chicken curry with naan bread, so I got some garlic naan, bananas, oh my god, this is a mess. Bananas, almond milk, cauliflower, and broccoli for the soup. And some avocados over there for guacamole. And yeah, that's like about our big grocery haul. So that's it. For meals for the week, I'm gonna do a shepherd's pie, a bunch of turkey burgers, and chicken curry, which we'll have with just some rice or naan bread. And then for snacks, I got some cheese, cucumber, and celery. And then for breakfast, I'll do like bacon, which I got and I forgot to show, and some eggs. And then just lots of water and exercise to help get back on track. And that's about it. Let me know if you guys like these quick little grocery haul videos, because I love to do grocery shopping, and filming them is pretty fun too. And I'll show you the fridge once it's all fully stocked. It's our stocked fridge with all of our goodies. Got all of our waters, all our veggies in the bottom. I'm gonna make turkey burgers with that turkey, and then chicken curry in the crock pot. I'm just cleaning it, and Jamie did all the dishes, so now it's nice and fresh. And we're gonna cook a soup with a ton of veggies Then we have some chicken drumsticks that we had made earlier. We're gonna have for dinner. And some wine. These are all of our condiments. So it is almost 8:30 or after 8:30 and I've been literally cooking since 6 o'clock. Jamie's playing his music and shit, but I wanted to show you what I was making. So I'll do a little overview of everything that I have been cooking, etc, etc. I have this veggie soup on the stove that's been like simmering for quite a while. Just a ton of veggies in here, greens, beans. I use chicken broth, but it's basically vegetarian. And then I have this like really cool rack that I use for like wings or bacon. So I just cooked up a bunch of bacon. I love it, super crispy. So that'll be for on the go in the morning. And then I made these turkey burgers. I'm really bad at like cooking them, so they're not in like the best looking shape, but they basically have cilantro, purple onion, feta cheese, jalapeno, and tomatoes, and they're super good on their own, or you can have them with a bun. And then I have some chicken curry going on here. Just be very careful not to break it. So that, ooh, so that is chicken breasts, some curry paste, curry powder, coconut milk, a can of coconut milk, 1 can of diced tomatoes, some jalapenos, and yeah, so that is ready. And then the fridge is also like kind of organized. I have some fresh eggs. I'm going to make boiled eggs, kombucha for the morning. These are some of my pre-made chicken burgers, spinach dip, different meats, chicken drumsticks, like a ton of cheeses. These are cooked up veggies, so that we can have those for stacking. Naan bread, some organic lettuce, more lettuce, a Charlie, hello, and some other stuff there. So yeah. So yeah, that's everything that I have meal prepped. It should be good for the week. And then I'm also gonna cook some eggs. It's like getting pretty late and I'm getting tired because I've had a long day, but we're washing our sheets, so I won't be able to go to bed anytime too soon. So I'm debating if I should just boil the eggs while I like put it. There's nobody there. Charlie! I'll probably just boil the eggs while I'm like watching a show or something, and then I'm gonna do this new face mask that I got from Sephora. Can't wait. But yeah, maybe I'll vlog later. I might end the vlog now, I'm not really sure. But if it's the end, then thanks for watching. Comment down below what your favorite food staple is for grocery shopping, and thumbs up if you like this kind of video. And also don't forget to subscribe if you want me to do more day in the life vlogs, or like what I eat in a days or anything like that. Just let me know. Thanks for watching.